i35equipment.com. This is Case 850H Bulldozer. Welcome to come look this machine over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator. Hire some local ones to accompany you. However, it's shown by appointment only, so please just call again on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. This is the long track edition. Does have that rear drawbar. ROPS sweeps. You can see it has the screen guard on the back and sides of the operator station. 6-way blade. Good power. If you'd like a hauling quote to your farm or job site, please just fill out the form on our website. We're happy to look into that for you and get you some hauling quotes. Shouldn't be a problem to get it shipped to you as long as you have room for a semi-truck, as we send equipment all over the country. We specialize in consignment equipment sales, so if you know anyone who has some idle equipment sitting around, we share our information with them. We'd be happy to discuss our consignment service and help them liquidate their inventory. If you know anybody looking for equipment, please share our website with them, because we have a quickly changing inventory, which you can see online at www.i35equipment.com. Check out the undercarriage, the blade, and then we'll let him climb off, and then we'll hop up there and take a look at it. The operator station. It does have the factory case seat in it. Here's the controls. This is reverse, forward, fast, neutral, slow. Currently showing 5139 hours. Here's your blade control. Hope this video is beneficial to you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. As always, see your full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com.